How to use slot spins in the Bingo Blitz game. If you have been playing the Bingo Blitz and wondering on how to use the slot spins on it and you don't know how to do it, don't worry. In today's video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the game just like this. After that, here you can find 3 lines at the top. Just right here, now select it. Then scroll down and here you can find slots just right here. Now open it. Now here you can find the slots option right here. Now simply choose one that you want to play or spin it. Now to use it, simply tap on to spin just like this. It can only spin if you got the coins. And if you don't have it, you need to buy it. And that's it. This is how you can use slot spins in the Bingo Blitz game. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.